I'm gonna get BL. I'm gonna quote on the Zoom.
Yeah.
So that means I say, yo, must have change off from when I say freedom change off.
Look on the next day. That pretty Danny. I don't beat her already still. She's a liquor. Yo, Mr. that girl has sickening shit. Ill. Still lick out body. And one come call Jeffrey. Mr. that girl, yo, hey, judgment. Alright, me I tell you, I'm gonna call it down from now. Watch and see if the universe now go. Them are, yo, some of them
now go bumbo Kartel. Anybody this them dead. Rifle, a tapping again.
hey. Pussy, look dead soon. Watch and see. Be the evil trouble them. The universe and God not like what them do. Because you see, God fight against those who fight against him people. And we know, so we see God powers manifest through Jeffrey. Not through Foota hype life. Because Foota hype broke pop down him mouth, twist up and him blood clot career. Dead. You see me I say? Pretti Dan, she not have no powers of God in her display of her life. Because God is a God mighty in battle. And little baby popcorn diss up and beat up that little show. Make sure you have to scan and run to internet and look inferior to popcorn. And then blame them do her the same thing. Nicki Minaj, shot that girl. And she the bad mind. Should I try tell Nicki Minaj, oh, forgive money, you stink. And that's why God give blame them the link with Nicki. And you see how them want blame them get deported what day, yeah? You see how them want blame them get deported? Triple X are way more name. He's a big hypocrite too. Because him not take accountability for the thief when him got thief in a Walmart. But yet still, that thief here will get catch thief and get charged, right? And get all deep it look like. Him want Jeffrey for go jail for defend himself. Him want Jeffrey for go prison for show off on the boy them where push him woman. Them no want him show off for show you. And Jeffrey shame Triple X. Cause Jeffrey say, boy, you know who really disappoint me or who I'm really disappointed in? Triple X. Cause I think same did have sense. And them think they burn you know. When you if somebody said that to you, especially you use a twinny twanga, right? And a man say, yo, me think same did intelligent, you know, to him talk. Me really think same did intelligent. But when me hear my talk about a bag of madness about gun and rare and Triple X don't show no about forensic and none of that. A regular, me see Triple X I use big word and the people them in the comments I say Triple X are the wrong word you use there. That word they don't make no sense. That word they mean this and there's no such word. Yo, enough read the comments them when Triple X attack, yeah? But the fact that Triple X not take accountability and him do the same thing like Buju. Before Triple X come out and say people made the teeth for crab leg and a temptation and Ram, you know, and one of them thing there. Him not do that. That would have make him peaceful with me. But me hear them bomber wall we get catch on camera, get catch and I talk about and not them. I saw the whole of them rapists are pop down. You know see that? You know see that? The grapists them pop down. The Batman I live better off than them. Because that waste man I said Jeffrey. Look, you know, that waste man I Foota hype said Jeffrey is a Batman, you know. But yet still the Batman God spear. And God never spear Foota hype from the diabetes. You hear what name? Diabetes is beating his ass. The diabetes is beating Foota hype. The diabetes make him move can't stand up. Make him twist up mode can't so. So nothing. Him not have no use for the woman them again. That's why I'm a born Batman, so you know. That's why I'm a born Batman. Because him a rapist. Them love the underage, them force themselves on woman. You see when them are born Batman, them bad mind Batman, them want to be Batman so bad and them afraid to do it. And that you know, them afraid to do it and I saw people stay. You see when just like Bob Marley and all of the heroes them will get up, stand up and fight for them right. The same people them say, what you do, you mad? You want them kill you? You is a fool, me nah follow you Bob. And then when Bob got on hero, seeing them talk say the worst thing. Say I threw him brown and them never remember say Bob talk up the thing them put him life on the line. Just like a cartel. You see me I say? So I that to them people here man. Watch out.
I woke up this morning, was born in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you see in Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yeah. Don't bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Team little bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, lesbianically, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, they be claring that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, we mad dog. Addi left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
Yeah, people, yo. I say I be a bad mind. Pussy hole upon this a fight. One man, you know. Look on the bad mind people them. Look on the grapists at the front of the line. The grapists at the front of the line. Foota corruption. Yo, me hear enough people start tell the vlogger them say, yo, every time when I show a Foota hype video, I'm thinking they in the vlog them, I skip theme part. I say, yes, I'm glad the people them a get tired of that boy and them a figure out him ways. And then the next one, when I see the people them a figure out a Nico, when you go up on the big vlogger them and read the comments, because some of them can't read, you know. When you read the comments, the people them realize that the boy is a dunce handicap. Nico and Foota hype are the same. Them fat and sound, it sound just alike and dunce. You get me I say? Yeah man, them dunce, but Foota hype, him a grapist, so him worse. As much as me hate Nico, me can tell you, say Foota hype him worse. Him is a grapist. Him grew up on the gully banking without proper brought up, see? You know what I say? And him go on like say, him can give Lisa Anna advice. But put on your clothes, Lisa Anna, and cover up because you're respectable. You see how him talk to Richie Stephen, we've been seriously accused of raping 2 women. Where we never seen no man get accused them where they yet. Till woman a ball tears. You can see Tanya Stephen cut up inside from the hurt with that waste man the Richie Stevens do her. The man grape her make she bleed, she talk about it. I'm hate him. No, we are find out say keep rich, bumbo clock, keep rich a grapist. Him there with him girl from she 15 years old and that she say. And she not tell no lie. We know say she not tell no lie. Cause she make it clear and she goodly try protect Kiprich. Cause hear what she said. She said the day she and Kiprich sex the first time, she said it was for her 16th birthday. That sound like a woman we are protect him. Because she said she and Kiprich a deal from she 15. But hear what she said? She said him sex her on her 16th birthday. Because hear why she a protect him. Because 16 is legal age of consent here in Jamaica. But for a big man, Kiprich would have big man in a dancehall rich and I make money till them call him Kip Rich. And now see him pop down. If you have big TikTokers, I saw the whole of them rapists are pop down. You know see that? You know see that? The grapists them pop down. The body man I live better off than them. Because the waste man I said Frais. Look, you know, the waste man I Foota hype said Frais is a body man, you know. But yet still the body man God spear. And God never spare Foota hype from the diabetes. You hear what name? Die, motherfucker. Diabetes is beating his ass. The diabetes is beating Foota hype ass. Low. The diabetes make him can't stand up, make him twist up mouth, can't suck. It's pussy. So nothing, him not have no use for the woman them again. That's why I'm a bun Batman, so you know. That's why I'm a bun Batman. Because him a rapist. Them love the underage, them force themselves on woman. Now tell me people, if you don't have intelligence and sense and be wise enough, for know say out a rapist and a Batman, Zine, a Batman were just over there so by himself and a rapist over there so by himself. Who you think is worse? Let me tell you no, cause I no afraid of the backlash in a Jamaica, you know. The rapist worse. And your little sister in danger, your mother in danger, your auntie in danger. Bumbuckler, who Batman a trouble? Batman a trouble, man, them will like them. I'm to know. Foota hype, the first time, let me tell you, the universe revealed to me. The first time when Foota hype came on social media and started about this Batman thing, a Quiet Perry was his first target. Quiet Perry was one of his first target. Because remember, you know, Foota hype used to forward out on the net and people used to say, wait, how Foota hype come out so regular on the net? It looked like him broke and popped down, not now go on film selecting career. And so said, so done. Zine, and then guess what? Me didn't know from early say him selecting career pop down. Zine, because him not show no weakness when the people them say, oh, Foota hype get so regular on the social media, I go live and you know, people are beat him feet and I say, yo, him not get book or something. And then you see when the man got this Quiet Perry, Foota hype go do a video where him say him got Carib. Remember the universe bring it right in my mind. Zine, Foota hype do a vlog where him say him go Carib theater here in Jamaica and see Quiet Perry with him boyfriend. Listen, now again, Foota hype forward out in a video I say protege them, chronics them, and Lila Ike. Him say, them have gay stylists. But look at the hypocrite. Beanie Man gay stylists a die. Dexter Pattinger, a Beanie Man's biggest. A Beanie Man do them thing there first. A Beanie Man introduce the gay stylists them, you know. But Foota hype now no problem with that. Beanie Man have locks on him head and fear do better, you know. But the fans them now no problem with Beanie Man and him Batmanism. No, a Chronics them have the problem with. No, a Lila Ike them have the problem with. Batty boy Foota hype got Beanie Man. I don't have no problem with Dexter Pattinger, big known Batman, Dexter Pattinger. May his soul rest in peace, because he's not the suspect here. It's Foota hype, but we are use Dexter Pattinger to just tell the truth. You see me? And Foota hype never burn out Beanie Man not one time. Foota hype not burn out the grapists. Cause guess what? Them don't love woman. Yo, Jamaica full of blood clot hypocrite. Me just find out. Look what me find out. Me find out say all we are going like say we love our mothers. And mothers they are the big thing. And Jamaican man love them mother. Jamaican man love woman. The universe revealed to me say them don't love woman dog. Them a hypocrite. I lie. Look on the Christianity. Christianity revealed to be one big house of Jamaican hypocrisy. All Spice no better. Spice deserve every cuss out we shall get. Because look at Spice at the next hypocrite. Every black hypocrite in a Jamaica. And them go on like, yo, this is like a scary movie when all through the movie from the starting of the movie going right down to the end of the movie, everything is peace and calm. But for the last 5 minutes of the movie there, that is where you find all of the nastiness and the action. And that's so the craziest things happen in the movie, and this is what is happening now. Foota hype on the live, on social media for over 10 years now, and guess what? We just a find out say him now page being about the Dexter Pattinger thing. Dexter Pattinger the biggest gay, and he was Beanie Man stylist, and he died under being Beanie Man stylist, under Beanie Man watch. He died, okay, and he died violently. So what? Where was Foota hype? But he wants these nastiness, selective outrage them are cause and a create. And you see, people, make them use, for them nasty work. People make them nasty boy a Foota hype. We a grape woman. Daima said it. Daima say him hold down, lock it woman and force himself pan her. And lock it can't come out. Him know a true, cause them stop her. Foota used to live in a barber shop. I want work list nasty boy this, and I try talk to Lisa Anna. I tell Lisa Anna, say, listen, you respect uno love, make them nasty boy you trick on no. And me I tell you, say, Jamaica don't love woman. Imagine all these Mother's Day present, nothing for the fathers, all these decades, all these lifetime here in Jamaica. Nobody never there give the father them nothing. Nobody never there recognize the father or the mother them. Them are going like them love Jamaican, going like them love woman the most. Well, if them love woman the most, tell me what? So tell me why them just want the rapist prosper. Why you what him and only want them come after? So give me a basket fi kill Foota. Respect. The woman forget respect. The rapist them forget is that. Bumbuckler, yeah. Yo, me get a call people. John was star. Yo, me say the woman to get respect. And the rapist like Foota for that, in debt. Rapist like Foota for that, in debt. Yeah, dog, them are rapists and them don't love woman. Them go on like most of Jamaica all along are go on like say them rape them mother, them rape them auntie. No, a Batman are the biggest problem. Batman where a love man for leave the woman them for the straight man them can get more woman. You understand? So if the Batman them, I saw you for no say, no for them boy are hypocrite, you know. Cause if them love woman so much and the Batman them leave the woman them for no. And at the Batman them are on the number one problem. Uno should have wash and kiss the feet of the Batman them if you don't love woman so much. Oh, the Batman become the number one enemy if them not trouble no woman. And then guess what? I say them people here, them love blame Batman for AIDS. Any woman with AIDS, them must say a Batman gear. Them fool your fuck. AIDS was implemented through the doctors and the medical system. You can me say that was where it came from. And these dunces want blame the gay people in feet. You see me I say? So I tell you say Jamaica, them just use this gay thing as a shield and their weapon. Them don't love woman. Them no love woman. And the woman them when them have AIDS, them for take blood clot accountability. And stop blame man where fuck them and then I talk about say the Batman where fuck woman and man. And you see it? You see it now? Yo, figure it out, say him never watch the hypocrisy, you know. Figure it out. When them say a big Batman, watch the hypocrisy by these nasty devil people. Them are the real devil people. We are try tear down people. Figure it out. Say him never look on Daima. Zin? And these people say my Batman, I'm a rate. Figure it out for that. Because you say if him did same sleep with Daima, you'd hear them at this Daima and this, figure it out. But true the man say, him never do nothing with Daima and him is a man. And really and truly, enough of them mania at Jamaica, them not see it possible for be friend as a man with a woman. That means if them a friend with you, woman, you just get fucked. All when you don't want it, them are force it on you. And then most of them, 98% of them woman at Jamaica, them fuck anything. Them fuck anything. If them not give you the kill, I true you is a idiot. Me I tell you, you see if you flex sensible around the woman them at Jamaica, you're frying for see how them come out of them shell. I swear to God, me used to move like a punk, so me know, but you see now, when me start move like a real madhead, me I tell you brother, the girl them no ram for give me pussy, and me no stop turn them down. Because me no want no responsibility for you. The first fuck you come give me, you go ask me for breakfast a morning time, you go give you a big suck your mother. Because me and you never make no deal, say, if you give me the front, me I go start buy your breakfast and I my duty for buy your lunch and drinks and any little thing you need. And that is what the girl them trap the man them, you know. And that suck out them pocket, you know. You get me and say them give you the kill first, easy kill. And then them next morning them ask you for breakfast. Then them ask you for lunch, 12 o'clock, the same day. And then them go so boom and ask you for dinner. I ask you for drinks and water. And then you have to do that every day of the week, you know. If you go to church one day and try hide her out, you just miss 27 missed call. That's why I don't look on them blood clot girl. Them have to look me and me just give them a one break and cut. Cause me no like tie down. And me no want no responsibility unless I'm a pitney. I might pitney them alone and my responsibility. Not no big girl a road. You see me I said? So them boy, look what them, I may show them a hypocrite. Because you see, figure it out, they go sleep with Daima. Remember, you know, that they must say about the girl them we have AIDS. Them say a Batman they must sleep with and Batman give them the AIDS. Because them so dunce and them don't know where AIDS come from. Them have it for say a Batman. And you see, Because them look on it like say the bottom and them curse, you know, like God cursed the bottom and them with AIDS. But you see who God really curse? God curse Foota hype. You see who God really help? God help Jaii. Jaii is the champion, the victor. So God never help Foota hype with him diabetes, him twist up mouth, him career wish go to shamble, and then him want tell you say through him not sell out, that's why him career pop down. You don't believe that? God not there in a Foota hype life. God don't like nobody will get up and tear down people every day. And at 10 years, Foota hype tear down people like him tear down coffee. That's why him have diabetes. And the place, the whole world are gonna be a better place when Foota hype. Finally dead and going at the ground or wave in body in up end up and go rotten. Then him, the world are gonna be at peace. Nobody not gonna miss him. And you see how the dirty pagan them talk about people a laugh off a Foota hype, and Foota hype a tear down people for 10 years. Them a talk about people at call down sickness from Bunty, and Bunty corrupt and disgusting to one this Kartel whenever this him and kill a tear down enough man career. Lexus and blood clot Vegas and enough people career. So the offer is on fans. You know some evil pagan set of fans, you know. You lack intelligence and you wicked. Can not find see the light, but you want to turn a blind eye to it. That's why God I go take on the sight, you know. Let me show you how God work. You see, when you have intelligence and play like you don't have it, God I go make you crazy and go mad because you have your sense for use it for help heal the world. But God say and the universe say, you now use your intelligence for try heal the world and help it for become a better place. So here what? Hey, I succumb people lose them senses, you know. People lose them limbs because you take your hands for do the wrong things.
If you know say you know what is illegal, now your bumbo clock dead. Anybody this them dead. Anybody this them dead. Anybody this them dead. Life is not taking at them head.
I succumb people lose them senses, you know. People lose them limbs because you take your hands for do the wrong things. Yeah, I swear to God, anytime you see somebody who always, you see like how Kartel are the best and them try to say him are the worst, all of them pagan there, them are go, yo, some rotted thing are happening in them life, till you go see them come around and say Kartel or forward around. Believe me, because I saw the universe work. Anyhow you can see and play like you're blind when you need it for sure the people them say, yes, you were there and you see this. You see me? Because you see, if you witness evil men do things and the good side of the universe depend upon you, for sure, what went down, you better do it, or else the universe are going to strip you of your sight. You will never live to witness nothing again. That's why, yes, the Bible says, keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. But, as me tell you now, say the Bible is a thing where intelligence show you. You see me? Just like how it said, don't eat meat. But yet still the Bible say, meat don't defile a man. It's not what a man eat defiling. But yet still the Bible say, don't eat pig, don't eat this, don't eat that with hoofs. With all type of hoofs and for this and toes. And you get what I say? So that is all the Bible say, who keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. It no means every time that necessary. You see me? It just mean to say you have to gauge it. Just like say, you don't have to be a coward, you know, but you have to respect fear because fear helps to guide your life. You see what I say? Fear helps to guide your life. So don't be too fearful and don't be too fearless. Try to gauge yourself, and that the Bible teach you. Make you go in a disco, burn some people. Cause Triple X, bad mind, everybody a bad mind, Jaii. Pretti than a bad mind, Jaii. Cause Pretti than used to go on like shit tough, rough, and cut like anything above the rest. Pretti than used to go on like she's so bad. And look who bad her up. Like a baby popcorn, bad her up. Make sure to come out, come cry. Look who again bad her up. Blame them. And now she want come this. She knows she say God make Jaii a bad man. Jaii have God on him side of the baddest thing. Go suck your mother, Pretti that. Go bend over your head.
In my head, me live calm. Me now go bumbo clock. Dead. Stepping at them head. Stepping at them head. Stepping at them head. Stepping at them head. Me and this stepping at them head. Stepping at them head. Cause your bumbo clock, got your bumbo clock, got your bumbo clock, that's what mom we are, got your bumbo clock, that's what mom we are, that's what mom we are, that's what mom we are, got your bumbo clock, 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 anybody this get
Dry up, mama, pretty down, you dry up, granny, you dry up, papa, pretty down, and go suck them dry blood clot dirt. Go suck out them dirt out of the for you make them grave pretty down. Use a disgusting shit house, yo. Go suck out your mother grave out of dirt. Bumbo clot and waste man Triple X. Let me tell you about Triple X now. Triple X, you see him? Let me tell you mark him now. Him that boy that the first time me hear about him, me hear some thief crab leg in a Walmart or wherever foreign. And would you believe, say, him come out and him talk so nice and trick, no found a done spot with his talking. Even the mainstream devil him trick for them put him on TV, for them have him at work in a radio station as a thief. I may tell them now, get the good people, you know. You see me I say, cause it's all about the root cause, the money. You see me, the business or some music a die out, you know, cause them a put the money over the substance. You get me? It's not about Batty man. You know, stop make them trick you. The mainstream devil them is not really Batty man. Listen, you have one person, you know, who have three evil ways. You'll have one person who is a rapist, a murderer, and him can be a Batty man too. And him can be a thief. And from your rape man, he's a thief, because your thief them catches. You know what I mean? So you have to understand, one man can be 10 dozen bad things. So when we talk about the mainstream devil, don't make Foota hype a trick on and telling about are the Batman them run music. Which Batman are the killers them run music here? People where kill out your blood clot. You know see Roach dead. How much people you know see in our business dead? You know see Bogle dead. You know see enough top man in our music dead. All if them say a Colombian put money pan Bogle them head through William God. Cause them say all type of things, you know. The fact say Bogle is a legend, him shouldn't so easy for dead. You know what I say? So the dancehall feel for protect him. These are the motherfucking devil, the killers them in the music where kill off the talented them. If you don't come, that's why me make sure tell a killer say pussy kill me. Cause I'm not come here for be the last man for dead on earth. Batty boy, you know kill me. Rapist Foota hype. And him and the Batty man, you know, him worse too. Worse than a Batty man. Worse. You get me? I say him worse. You see me? Yo, me I tell you, Triple X now. Let me tell you about Triple X. Triple X, you know. From me see him thief the crab leg them, seeing him is just like Buju, you know. Buju where them have pan tape and Buju keep on a take off a fool, you know. All when Buju just release 1 year, yeah, you know. And Buju say people don't believe the lies. You know, so I sided with Buju. Come here and say, okay, Buju say a lie. That video there's something must not real. But me realize that Buju is just a piece of he's just a nasty, disgusting who can't take accountability because you're there on camera. Tell the people them, come tell the people so them catch a Buju and you were wrong. But you know what? Every time Buju are denied, I used to see some comments where I say, Bourgeois one liar. And me used to upset with the people them where I said so, you know. Come here and say, oh yeah, I said Bourgeois liar. Maybe them set him up for real and him never really dep on the video. Me did I believe. But then guess some realize a Bourgeois is just like the regular hypocrite. And if me I tell you say Jamaica infested with hypocrite. And Triple X are way more name. He's a big hypocrite too. Because him not take accountability for the thief when him got thief in a Walmart. Him, but yet still, that thief here will get catch thief and get charged, right? And get all deep it look like. Him want Jeffrey for go jail for defend himself. Him want Jeffrey for go prison for show off on the boy them where push him woman. Them no want him show off. 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 Them no want him show off for sure you. And Jeffrey shame Triple X. Cause Jeffrey say, boy, you know who really disappoint me or who I'm really disappointed in? Triple X. Cause I think same did have sense. And them think they burn, you know? When you if somebody said that to you, especially you use a twingy twanga, right? And a man say, yo, me think him did intelligent, you know, to him talk. Me really think him did intelligent. But when me hear me talk about a bag of madness about gun and rare and Triple X don't know shit about forensic and none of that. Him, yo, a regular, me see Triple X I use big word and the people in the comments I say, Triple X are the wrong word you use there. That word they don't make no sense. That word they mean this. And there's no such word. Yo, enough read the comments them when Triple X attack, yeah? But the fact that Triple X not take accountability and him do the same thing like Buju. Before Triple X come out and say people made the teeth for crab leg and a temptation and Ram, you know, and one of them thing there. Him not do that. That would have make him peaceful with me. But me hear them bomber wall we get catch on camera, get catch and I talk about and not them. You see what I say? So you don't run the head, them boy are some pagan. God is with you, Jeffrey. Yeah, win over the whole of them dirty nasty racia where you want to see it lose. You see me? And guess what? Just like how the girl them attack the girl at the gas stations, in she not for come out come show off on the people them where. Just like how the girl them attack the girl at the gas stations, in she not for come out come show off on the people them where. And then yo, me could go in at this. Yo, bumbuckler, me could go in at this.
Look at dopey man. All over social media talk about, oh yeah.
Alright, it's that. You hear what she open her mouth and say? Lick a dopey bat. Look how she look like a dopey. She look like a dead body with them blood clot put under the makeup. Look on her black suit and red tie. This is the real dopey bat. Our bat look. Them not fully black like this. No one bat this rat bat, vampire. You know, she said, yo, me tell us like y'all are done, you know, everything she burn out, it should look like. Everything where she burn out, she come look like. What do you say burn out gaze? And see she dress like a man again, for a woman. That no agenda, you know. Ask her if she's what, how she identify herself.
This Jesus son, oh you know rape God and you know this and you know that. When I start talk about Jesus, them not this black Jesus, them are this white Jesus.
Sudden.
Yeah, that girl I hear that you know say them not. You hear Yaksta say nothing about no black from the white Jesus different. You hear Yaksta differentiate nothing. So how she a try come put in words for Yaksta? For sure you said them she have ulterior motive. She up on TikTok a burn out the candy them and the figure it out them because she run down the TikTok #1 spot. She can't get the ranking there. She can't get the ranking spot like the batty people them where she accused of being batty people. You see what I say? So that burn them, the money is the root of all evil. And that them a run down the money. You see me? Yo, me I tell you man, them no burn batty man because it is an unholy act. Because blasphemy is an unholy act. Grapists is an unholy act. So you see when them a burn batty man, them bad mind batty man, them want to be batty man so bad and them afraid to do it. And that, you know, them afraid to do it, and I saw people stay. You see, when just like Bob Marley and all of the heroes, them will get up, stand up, and fight for them right. The same people them say, "What you do? You mad? You want them kill you? You is a fool. Me now follow your Bob." And then when Bob got on hero, seeing them pussy talk say the worst thing. Say a him brown, and them never remember say Bob talk up the thing. Them put him life on the line, just like a cartel. You see me I say? So I that to them people, man. Watch out.
I'm get BL. I'm going to quote on the Zoom. Yeah. So that means I say, yo, must have change off when I say freedom change off.
Yes, look on the next dog shit here. That pretty down there. I don't beat her already still. She's a liquor. Yo, I said that girl is sickening. She lick out batty and one come call Jeffrey. I said that girl, yo, Hey, judgment. All right, me I tell you, I'm gonna call it down from now. Watch and see if the universe now go. Them are, yo, some of them. Dead soon. Watch and see. Be the evil trouble them. The universe and God not like what them a do. Because you see, God fight against those who fight against him people. And we know, so we see God powers manifest through Jeffrey. Not through Foota hype life. Because Foota hype broke pop down him out, twist up and him blood clot career. Dead. You see me I say? Pretti Dan, she not have no powers of God in her display of her life. Because God is a God mighty in battle. And little baby popcorn diss up and beat up that little shit house here. Make sure you have to scan and run to internet and look inferior to popcorn. And then blame them do her the same thing. Nicki Minaj shit out that girl. And she the bad mind. Should I try tell Nicki Minaj, oh, forgive money, you sting.
God, your bum up like dead. And this name is I so we see them I don't want to just know you. Sparta, brimstone, fire and no water. That it is ready to go slaughter. Shut up the names in a bed.
And that's why God give blam them the link with Nicki. And you see how them want blam them get deported what day, yeah? You see how them want blam them get deported and blam them beat the fucking case. Blam them have God pan him side. Squash now have God pan him side. Me just realize what do you mean a big up Squash? Zin, I never want to put him down through him a link with the mosquito. But me say, look, if you remember, you know, Squash and blam them are two enemy, them not like each other. And the two of them got jail. Even Chronicler got jail. And God make Chronicler come out without no problem. Him not forget deep. A Squash alone going there and in out forget deep. You don't see it. So God is not with Squash. May I tell you so God work. You see me? So you see all of them people here where God not in a them life, Zin, cause God in a blam them life, you know. God, blam them. Get the link to Nicki Minaj faster and more connected than them Gazanation with it itch up around Nicki long before. Blam them. You don't see it. I through them I did corrupt why Nicki Minaj move up them and blam them to the pre and have to move them up to. Big up blam them. Just a big up blam them for the first. Become just the universe show me. Just look on them thing no man. Just look what I go on looking at them life and you see oh God is with no man. God is not with Foota hype. God is not with blood clot Triple X. Him get deep. Him they are foreign. And you know why God is not with Triple X and God is not with Buju? Because them fail for admit them flaws up to this day. And Buju and Triple X need to come out, you know. People don't need for beat them, make them talk and speak the truth, you know. Yo, 10 of you fear comment every vlog where Triple X do. People fear asking about that crab leg there, you know. And say, Triple X, more know the truth. Cause you still deny the crab leg where your thief. And I be go round when him attack the story. Why? Them boy they not real man. Them boy they fat and sour and blood clot weak. Him afraid to tell the people them say he's a thief. Yo, no, don't make them idiot you trick on, you know. Jeffrey, you're the good youth. You're showing him, let's be honest. You're showing on him thief or the fix when need to get fixed. The fix need to get fixed. That's why God is not with the fix. Because the fix make spice come pop them down. This fix make them allow spice for go tell her. Them allow spice to tell them for go SYM. And you see from spice tell them that. Them now say them a take caution and I be more mindful of the things them say. But God not like that. Because it's not the yo. You see, God bless the artists them, you know. But you see what me telling us, the artists them greedy. Because look how much talent in a Jamaica for years. And we can count on one hand. With how much artists were boss artists, Bounty Killer, Kartel, Movado, I do one ya, and who for the last one ya. Who can pick who get the last one ya. You see me? But we are getting 4 of them. But me know say one hand. We are talking about take out your money, invest in the artists them, pay for them record, have them run you, buy them your food till them find them #1 hit song. We don't want a man like Batty Boy, Mataran and Waste Boy, rapist, Foota hype come and tell you about. I mean, carry him to kill and carrying a man to kill is that are the least. We are talking about take out your money where you know bad mind people love and put before your own life. Money, which one I want to take? Money we want to put before your own life and invest it on somebody else. You see me? I'll know. You notice I'll know fully bad no boss. A Foota hype response to fully bad, you know. You know why fully bad now, boss? Because the Foota hype is cursed. The Bible tell you, say everything with certain people untouch it. Nothing now prosper from it. Nothing. I'll know fully bad can't boss because his root where he was birthed from, a Foota hype from out of the music. So him root dead and wither away like the rivers by the trees of no water. You see me? So don't make them people a trick on my people.
Bad man, Jeffrey, you is not a partner that have repeated to you one more pussy class time. You're still blood clot fish fry.
You hear our voice a tremble? Yo, that is pain from deep within. She's so hurt that Jeffrey turn a star overnight. Because of God do that. And blood clot 450 and all of them get diminished and relegated. And then them bad mind you try beat down Jeffrey. Or you for beat down God, you pretty done. You soon
Life is a tapping at the head. Life is a tapping at the head. Mesdames les fesses du ciel. 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 Life is a tapping at the head. Life is a tapping at the head. Life is a tapping at the head.
dead. Me I tell you, God I go remove you. And you see Triple X to where I beat down Jeffrey. Me done say enough. Me not have to go through that video. Me go through the whole light, you know, cause 21 minutes long. But me already say enough for you know say when me I say a truth. You don't make them nasty people here. God, listen me, Jeffrey talk about him bedroom activity. None of them batty boy or Jamaican rapists do never tell you what them do with a girl that is nasty. I told them just in a bag of argument with me against 3 people outside. Me against 3 people outside just in a big argument. Because me tell them say I admit my flaws and that's something I love though. Because you know why I love admit my flaws? Because this is how corrupt I know most Jamaican is. They would never tell you the faults that they have in their life. You see, alright, so me look on them, right? Would I reason about some things that I mean in my life and the reason I go on good. So I say, remember do what I always love though and share one of my flaws with them. Remember I tell you say in one of my previous video when I upload yesterday, you know, in one of my video them yesterday, I make it clear say me have a book coming where me I write all of my flaws them in it. Zine? So you see how life connected. Now today, me assure 3 people, Zinka, we are reason go nice. But here we all hell broke loose when me be honest. And I saw Jamaicans stay because they seen being honest as a threat. Them can't do it. So Jeffrey, and that's why God love Jeffrey. Because his program is Let's Be Honest. And him honestly tell people, say him kiss the kitty one time. God love them thing there. The fact say him share him truth, him bad truth. God knows say 99.9% I will not do it. And that's something when me grew up I do. So me can relate to Jeffrey. It's what I say because me always see God powers manifest. Now watch ya, God powers manifest or gallifest or womanifest. Then watch this now. So me go tell them say, me they live with my woman one time, Zin. But she have a family where have AIDS, Zin. And me live with my woman for years. Now me go share with them people I say, yo, bad man, me not tell no lie, you know. One of the day them remember, you know, temptation take me, you know, for go push my cock in my woman sister where have AIDS, you know. Zin. And them I say, that go you feel like you're mad, you don't control your mind. Them say the most thing, and this is the conversation, though. The 3 of them start going like me are the worst. Cause me say, me get tempted for push my cocky in the AIDS girl. And them going like say them wanna do it. Hey, you know how me win the argument? That's why me a sweat so my shirt I'll come out. Me beat the 3 of them to sickness, man. Cause me jump up and me start laugh and me say, yes, me a gonna live for say, oh no. Come to the words come to pass and you know I go feel because you see when I start jump up and I say yeah I say oh no me I go live for say oh no go against on the words because I say to them say you know say me always me tell them you know say me from long time me always expose my flaws them I'm always see people behave like uno and when them behave like uno couple years down the line, or even tomorrow, couple seconds to sometime, you catch them and do what them say. Them never do what them say, and I laugh off at you what you say you do. Me live for see them. Yo, yes, when I say that to the 3 people, them say, yo, I saw me jump up to literally jump up, you know. I say, yes! I say, yes! I say, yes! Me I go live for see uno. I say, yo, me I go live for see uno. Go against the word. Because I tell them say something I always see. Anytime you tell people certain bad things about yourself and them go on like say you're the worst, laugh. Because you see, at them think that, yo, you see when I say that to them, say, yo, me I gonna live for soon the word bite, you know. The 3 of them get fearful. Them look for me sad. Like when I say truthful. Like them start get scared now. Like them I say, bumbo clot, what am I gonna do? Me I go get catch for real, you know, I swear to God. That's why you see when you argue with people, don't make them beat you. Yo, them say, the only way for beat your enemies, you know, especially if them intelligent, is for trick yourself, for deceive them, make them can't study your movement. You see, once you trick yourself, and I go on, alright, let's say the war I go on, and them say, fight! So you know for going on thump, but you know going on thump, you know, you start spin and dance and stay so. So now your enemy will say, what the fuck that him a do? I don't know, yo, I wonder if some voodoo thing him a do. And you're supposed to go rush the man in, and the man for go rush you, you know, but fight, you're not supposed to fight if you're a competition. But you know, you start do some weird things. You start all going mad. I saw you defeat your enemy. Them turn fool. Them start them brain and know what for think about, what for circle. It has say, I wonder if a man are mad. And then now them are left themselves, oh man, you just brr. And in every aspect of life, you can do that. Trick your enemy, behave sporadically. You see me as well? Believe me. So I hope to get everything. Me not for going. Me not for bad up myself. Me no say me bad already. Put a rapist in mad already. How much girl him grab already? One them God. What's your name? Pretti Dan. She get bad up in her real life. Pretti Dan get bad in her real life. Me know 10,000 people she feel like. When they hear bloop bloop, I blame them. Then you look, you see. Ugly than that blood clot about Pretti that. She ugly, you know. Your teeth them black and rotten. That girl I never used to brush teeth, you know. I wonder if you know where Pretti than teeth are come from. Her teeth them used to black a be a rotten gum line should have. Be a rotten gum line. You see my teeth them still no veneer, you see me? A boy thumb in that teeth white kind of black, you see me? That be a fight or fight. You remember I tell you about the stone where the boy fling when me not grade through, I eat this. You see me? Yeah man, so I saw the thing gonna do make them nasty. Jeffrey, God is with you. Go on do your honesty and tell the truth with make the artists them get upset. Because the artists them need for God do better. For make the music better. Jeffrey, tell the truth. Continue to tell the truth. God love your youth. And all when them say you are Batman, are you God love. God no love the rapists them and enough of them murder ya. You see me? God loves some of the gangster them and some of the murderer them, you know, but only the one who murder for the right cause. You get me I say? But not them nasty man ya. Not them. You see me? So me no need nothing more right so.